This video explains how to buy shares of Intea Fastigheter AB publ, a Swedish real estate company listed on CBOE EU with the ticker INTEAB.ST. This is an educational guide, not financial advice. Please research and understand the risks before trading. You need a broker to buy shares. I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform's search box and type the ticker INTEAB.ST to find Intea Fastigheter AB publ. Make sure you select the listing that matches the CBOE EU market. Open the asset page to review basic company details and the price chart for recent activity. Confirm the name, market, and ticker to ensure this is the correct stock. Tap Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order type and details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may execute when trading resumes, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing. After execution, your Intea Fastigheter position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find a helpful link to eToro in the description if you want to follow the same example.